Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. We have this fourth question for us to solve. Solve for x if 2 raised to the power 2x minus 5 into 2 raised to the power x plus 4 equal to 0. Solution without wasting time. Solution. Here, we're going to make this to look similar. How? This is like power product rule. So it's saying 2 raised to the power x all raised to the power 2. Now, minus 5 into 2 raised to the power x plus 4 equal to 0. Now, recall, sorry for that, we are setting a rule, let 2 raised to the power x be p. So, this implies that p is 2 raised to the power x squared will now be p squared minus 5p plus 4 equal to 0. That have given us a perfect quadratic equation. So we're going to solve for the terms. We're going to factorize this and know what you are. So with this, let me just show you a kind of rough work. When you have p squared minus 5p plus 4 equal to 0. Think of two numbers that when you add them, you have minus 5. But when you multiply, you have 4p squared. So with that, we have what we call product sum factor in our rough work. Product is this times this, which is 4p squared, while sum is the middle term, which is minus 5p. So the factor is what we are looking for. Factor is two numbers that will give this. We can have that's two numbers that when you multiply, you have this, you have 4p squared, but when you add, you can have minus p, comma, minus 4p. These are the two numbers. Minus this, minus 5. Minus p times this is minus 4p times, it will give you 4p squared. So this is what you are looking for. Let's go back to this. So our factor, we are going to have p squared minus p minus 4p plus 4 equal to 0. This will then give us here that we have p square minus p into minus 4p plus 4 equal to 0. What is common here is p into p minus 1. Then what is common is minus 4 into p minus 1 again. Everything is equal to 0. So with this, you are going to have p minus 1 into p minus 4 equal to 0, which implies that either p minus 1 equal to 0 or p minus 4 equal to 0. So this will give you that p equal to 1 or p equal to 4. Now recall. You recall. What is that? That 2 raised to the power s is equal to p. Then you see at p equal to 1, this will imply that 2 raised to the power x equal to 1. Now, there are some principles of indices for you to make this to be of uniform base so that you can factor or sub something out. You recall that anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So with that, this will further give you that 2 raised to the power s equal to 2 raised to the power 0. Base will eliminate, x equal to 0. That is at p equal to this. So now you see from here at p equal to 4. This will now give you that 2 raised to the power s equal to 2 raised to the power 2, which is your 4. Eliminate the base and equate the power. So x equal to what? 2. Hence, x equal to 0, 2. Because you are asked to solve for x, not p. For some of us that we think 1 and 4 is the final answer. No, it is 0 or 2. We set up this rule that we should record that 2 raised to the power s, or let 2 raised to the power s be p. So you remind yourself of that principle after solving to get the value of p. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to follow for more. See you in my next video. Bye.